Right now, as you're watching this, someone's being hacked. In fact, every 39 seconds, a new attack takes place somewhere in the world. But here's the part that should concern every business leader, parent, and cybersecurity professional. A growing number of these attacks aren't being carried out by humans at all. They're being orchestrated, automated, and executed by artificial intelligence. And these HR hackers, they don't sleep, they don't take breaks, and they learn faster than we can respond. In this episode of the Cybersecurity Professor, I'm going to walk through what's really happening with AI-driven cybercrime, how the threat is evolving, and what steps we must take now to avoid catastrophic failures across our digital landscape. Artificial intelligence has become a double-edged sword. On one side, it's helping SOC teams detect anomalies, automate workflows, and protect networks. On the other, it's empowering cybercriminals to act with scale and speed we've never seen before. Today, AI is being weaponized, used to write malware, craft phishing emails, generate deepfakes, and automate entire attack campaigns that once took teams of hackers weeks to coordinate. The scary part? These tools are readily available. Some are open source. Others are being sold on the dark web. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to know how to prompt a model. And here's the kicker. While cybersecurity defenders rely on static rules and reactionary playbooks, these new AI threats adapt in real time. So what's the problem? Why this changes everything? Cybersecurity has always been a cat and mouse game, but now the mouse has a jet engine. Let's examine why this shift is so dangerous. First, attack surface. AI can scan the entire internet for vulnerabilities in hours. It doesn't miss patches, it doesn't get bored, it doesn't make human errors. Second, attack speed. Once a vulnerability is found, AI can package, deliver, and weaponize and exploit faster than a SOC team can log into their SIM tool. And third, scalability. These attacks aren't one-on-one. An AI script can simultaneously target thousands of organizations, tailoring its methods to each environment based on publicly available data. Add in factors like alert fatigue, outdated legacy systems, and staff shortages, and you have a recipe for cyber failure at scale. What we're seeing is an evolution from opportunistic hacking to industrialized cyber warfare powered by machine intelligence. Let's break down some real-world examples of AI in action on the dark side. First, let's talk about AI-powered phishing emails. AI models like ChatGPT can generate flawless, personalized phishing emails, but threat actors have taken it a further step, using rogue variants like WormGPT that have no ethical guardrails. For an example, imagine this. You're a procurement manager, you receive an email about a shipping delay from a known vendor. The tone is professional, the timing aligns with the real delivery. You click, that's it, they're in. That message, pulled from public supply chain data written by AI in seconds. No grammar issues, no red flags. Second is deepfake voice and video impersonation. Within just 3 minutes of audio from a podcast, voicemail, or a public speech, AI can now clone someone's voice with stunning accuracy. Combine that with basic video deepfake tech, and attackers are now impersonating executives in Zoom calls to approve wire transfers, fake legal documents, or access sensitive systems. This is already happening in finance, real estate, and even government. It's not theoretical, it's operational. 3 is AI-generated malware and exploit chains. Using AI prompts, attackers can craft polymorphic malware that regenerates itself after each execution, avoiding detection. It can analyze firewall logs and adapt its behavior to remain dormant until detection thresholds are clear. And the dark web is littered with marketplaces selling those AI-enhanced hacking tools as subscription packages, complete with tutorials. This is the tipping point because AI hackers are not just a new threat, they represent a new class of threat. Autonomous, scalable, nonlinear, and evolving constantly. We're no longer dealing with script kiddies or amateur hackers. We're dealing with intelligent systems capable of launching multi-layered, persistent attacks without human oversight. In 2024, the first autonomous attack loop was observed in the wild. That means the AI system identified a target, launched the attack, observed the result, and modified the next wave, all without human guidance at all. That is cyber warfare on autopilot. Let's recap what I've covered today. AI is already transforming how cyber attacks are launched, scale, and evolve. Tactics include hyper-targeted phishing, deepfakes, polymorphic malware, and autonomous attack loops. Traditional defense strategies are quickly becoming obsolete. What we need now is an evolution in defense, AI versus AI, adaptive tools, behavioral analytics, zero trust frameworks, and skilled human operators. If you're in cybersecurity today or plan to enter the field, understanding AI's offensive potential is no longer optional, it's essential. So what do you think? Are we ready for the era of AI hackers, or are we behind the curve? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Whether you're a CISO, a blue team analyst, or just starting out, your perspective matters. If you found this video informative, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. I break down real-world threats, career strategies, and the latest technologies shaping our field every single day. I'm the cybersecurity professor. Stay sharp, stay prepared, and never stop learning. I want to make you a cyber hero. I'll see you in the next video.